Soap might not be the most exciting of products, but with these DIY jelly soaps, your opinion will be changed. These fun jelly soaps seem like luxury products but are easy to make for a low cost. The things you will need are clear liquid soap, agar-agar powder or gelatin, salt, food coloring, essential oil to add scent, vitamin E oil for added hydration, a silicone mold, a whisk or a spoon, and decorative ingredients. To make the soap base, start by adding 2 cups of water to a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of agar-agar powder. This is a vegan alternative to gelatin and is also known as China grass. Add 2 teaspoons of salt as well and mix until all the powder is dissolved and bring your mixture to a boil. Remove your pan from the heat and pour in 3/4 cup of your liquid soap. This soap can be for hands or body depending on what kind of soap you are planning to make, and it should be clear so you can add color later. To make the soap even more nourishing on your skin, add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now is where you get as creative or as simple as you want. So grab your favorite scent, color, mold and decorations and let's get started. These simple soaps are the easiest to make, but still pack a punch in color and scent. Take your soap base off the heat and stir in a few drops of a color of your choice. Then add a couple of drops of an essential oil and that's it. Pour your mixture into a large cake mold. If you notice bubbles on the surface, a quick fix is to spray it with some rubbing alcohol to watch them disappear. Put the mold in the fridge to set. Once set, these soaps can now be cut to your desired size. Cut large rectangles for a body soap and small squares for a hand soap, or even cut tiny cubes for extra hygienic one-time use hand soaps when you have guests over. If you want to make an elegant version of these soaps, take the soap base off the heat and skip the color. Instead, stick with a few drops of essential oil and then stir in some beautiful dried flowers. Now pour your mixture into your mold, spray the bubbles with rubbing alcohol and leave it to set. Once set, demold your masterpiece. The flowers will not only look beautiful in the translucent soap, but will also slightly exfoliate your skin while washing. If you want to go all out with the glitter and color, then this soap is the one for you. Once your soap base is off the heat, divide it into 3 bowls. Add some purple color to one, blue to the next, and pink to the last. For an exciting look, add in some chunky glitter pieces like these stars. Now mix in your essential oils. Pour each layer into your mold one at a time and swirl them slightly with a skewer. Spray with rubbing alcohol and leave to set. Once it's set, gently demold your soap and be amazed. These stunning Star Galaxy soaps will add a mix of colors to your bathroom, and the glitter adds a special surprise as you wash. These squishy soaps last for 2 to 3 weeks and can be stored in the fridge when not in use. To use them, either lather like regular soap or squeeze individual cubes for a mini soap explosion that will make you look forward to washing your hands. Now you can see how simple it is to make these jelly soaps and how fun it is to use them as well. Get as creative as you want and you'll never run out of possibilities. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.